Netflix shares sink as company sees subscriber growth slowing, missed its subscriber target for the latest quarter and forecast a much smaller number of subscriber additions for the current quarter than it did a year ago, sending its shares down 19% in after-hours trading. The company on Thursday said it signed up 8.3 million subscribers in the latest quarter, bringing its paid global subscriber base to 221.8 million. The streaming platform had projected 8.5 million net new subscribers for the period, in line with the prior year's fourth quarter. The consensus forecast among analysts on Wall Street was for 8.3 million, according to FactSet. Revenue rose 16% to $7.71 billion in the quarter, in line with analysts' projections of $7.71 billion. The company's quarterly earnings were $1.33 a share, compared with a profit of $1.19 a year earlier. Analysts were targeting 83 cents a share. Following the results, shares of Netflix dropped in after-hours trading on concerns about the company's forecast. Netflix said it sees adding 2.5 million subscribers in the current quarter. A year ago, the company added 4 million in the same period. Netflix said its guidance reflected the fact that more of its new content was weighted to the back end of the current quarter, including the second season of Bridgerton, expected to launch in March. In addition, while retention and engagement remain healthy, acquisition growth has not yet reaccelerated to pre-COVID levels, Netflix said in its letter to shareholders. The company said several factors were likely to blame, including ongoing COVID-19 overhang and struggling economies in different parts of the world. Through the close Thursday, the stock had declined nearly 16% in 2022 amid a broader sell-off in tech stocks to start the year. Netflix's subscriber growth has faded since a surge in sign-ups occurred during the early days of the pandemic in 2020, when lockdowns intended to deter the spread of COVID-19 led people to spend most of their time at home. The reopening of the economy after the rollout of COVID-19 vaccines has helped drive more people away from their screens. Competition has also grown, with the likes of Amazon.com Inc.'s Prime, AT&T Inc.'s HBO Max and Walt Disney Co.'s Disney Plus bolstering their content lineups. Netflix backloaded 2021 with hits, including the return of the dark drama, You, and the series, Cobra Kai. Movies such as Red Notice, starring Dwayne Johnson, Ryan Reynolds and Gal Gadot, and Don't Look Up, starring Leonardo DiCaprio and Jennifer Lawrence, also were released during the fourth quarter.